HackP, the international online hackathon organized by Kerala Police, has reached a new milestone today. As you all know, this hackathon, which is being organized on the virtual platform, has been a very attractive event internationally. And over the past 10 days, more than 2,000 odd people have applied for this hackathon. Out of this, we shortlisted around 500 who were organized into 110 teams. And for the past 10 days, they have put their minds together in these teams and organized various solutions, various new ideas, innovative concepts, which were showcased over the past 2 days to a jury. And among that, we have selected the best 11 teams that will go into the next round. What is surprising about this whole endeavor, I had a chance to see these few presentations yesterday, and I was really amazed to see all those ideas brewing out of these youngsters' minds. The teams really performed exceptionally well, and very new ideas have come up. I can't really rank them at all, because all the ideas, all the teams have performed so exceptionally well that it's very difficult for a judge to actually rank them. But the teams have performed very well, and we have no other option but to choose 11 teams that will go into the next round. But I want to assure you at this point of time that the rest of the projects also that have been put in are really good, and we are really impressed by that. Many of them are really useful, which can be implemented. And in the days to come after the hackathon, we'll get in touch with you directly, and we'll try to implement many of these schemes which are going to be useful not only to the police department but also to the citizens in general. So I come on to my task. We have shortlisted, the judging panel has shortlisted 10 teams, 11 teams that will actually go into the next round. And I will name the teams for your benefit. But as I said earlier, the other teams also who have not qualified should not lose hope, because we will surely come to them. The ideas were great. The ideas can be implemented, and it's going to do very good in the future also. So now this is the list of the 11 teams that have qualified for the next round. The first team is HackP 10 OSINT. They have done it on OSINT analysis platform for effective policing. Then HackP 13 Rubus, that's a smart policing using AI and FR technology. The third one is the HackP 21, that's the Code Red. IoT perimeter security is their project subject. Then HackP 41 Beyond, that's smart policing using AI and FR technology. The fifth one is HackP 52 Cyberon, policing the post-COVID world, which is a very relevant topic right now. We have the HackP 59 Think Dynamics. They also did it on policing the post-COVID world. Seventh is the HackP 60 Hoodwink, which deals with smart policing using AI and FR technology. We have HackP 61 AI for Good, who did it on predictive policing using big data analysis. The ninth team is the HackP 73 Bangalore Cyberbots, who did it on policing the post-COVID world again. The 10th team is HackP Team India, smart policing using AI and FR technology. And the 11th team and the last team, HackP 97 Bifrost, which did it on smart policing using AI and FR technology. So these are the 11 teams that will be going into the next round and will be competing for the next big prize. All the best to all of you. You need to really work hard in the next few days and really come out as winners. But as I mentioned earlier, the people who have not made it to the next round also have a great chance to do good, because the ideas that you have created, the ideas that you have put forth are really good, and it's going to do a lot of good for the society, for the policing aspects also. So we'll be coming back to you, we'll contact you directly, and we'll make your project happen in real sense of the term, because they are all very good, very innovative ideas. At this moment, I want to thank the volunteers also who have been working tirelessly day and night for the happening of this event, for making this event a success, for doing all the work behind the scenes in this post-COVID time, in these difficult times, to make this such a big hackathon happen. So on behalf of Kerala Police, I really want to thank each and member of the volunteer team that has actually contributed to the success of this program, particularly to the Cyberdome team that has worked day and night, and to all the volunteers. Without you, this program could never have happened. So thank you once again. All the best to all the teams and to the ones who are in the next round. Best of luck to you. Thank you.